Today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is Pathetic Foot Chase Ends with Suspect Face Planting into a Bush.
This man is about to start the world's shortest and dumbest foot chase.
I have probable cause for... You want to go too?
Go, babe, go. Babe, go.
We could have just done this the easy way, buddy.
Can I hit my vape one time?
This officer is visiting the residence of a man with a warrant for arrest for charges related to fleeing a traffic stop.
338 Central.
You know how to get these guys to come pick up garbage?
That I don't know the answer to. Can you start me a 14 at 10 Navigator?
Brandon, there's somebody here for you.
Hey, Brandon, can you come out and chat with me?
I can talk to you right here.
Yeah, I need you to come out and chat with me.
Why, what's going on?
Well, I'm going to chat with you out here.
Can you tell me what's going on?
Yeah, sure. Come on out and chat with me.
Alright, give me a second.
Nope, right now.
Give me a second. I'm
Come on. Come on. 338 Central. If you could work another this way, Brendan Carlino's here. Hi.
Hi, can I ask what's going on?
Yeah, I just need to talk with Brandon.
About what?
Well, I'll chat with him.
About?
Well, I'll chat with him when he comes outside.
Well, I just want to
Who the heck is you?
Yeah, he can tell you after I'm done chatting with him.
Can he?
Yeah.
What's the situation about? You're not
Well,
going to tell me?
I can't tell you because you're not Brendan. Do you live here?
Yeah, well, she was my girlfriend, but I'm not gonna be.
Okay. You live here, though?
Yeah, but sometimes, yeah.
Okay. Like right now, this is your residence?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I just want to make sure he comes back out. I don't know if he's gonna now. Can you go in and make sure he's in there?
Yeah, I don't think he's that.
Well, last time he ran from us, so. Yeah. Don't tell him that, but if you could just have him come on out.
Why not? He's not coming. I'll let him know. That's all I can do.
I mean, you can call Brandon, he said.
Brandon, come on out and chat with me, buddy. Have him come to the door then.
I don't want to get involved.
I don't want to yell across the house.
Well,
You didn't have him come to the door then. I don't want to yell across the house. I'll chat with him right here at the door.
I don't understand.
Nobody's allowed inside the house. That's understood, yes.
I'm just saying, I don't understand what this is about. And you want to get on there and talk to you, but no one no one says nothing, dude. Nobody says nothing. What's the difference of me coming out there or you talking to me? What is it about?
Well, I don't want to yell past a bunch of people, so if you want to come talk to me at the door, that's fine.
I'm right here.
Okay.
What's it about?
Well, that's what I'm trying to talk to you about.
I'm right here.
All right, Brandon, so here's the deal. Okay?
No, you can't come here.
I can see you. I have probable cause for your arrest, so I can come in and get you, or you can come out right now with me.
Okay, can you tell me what it's about?
Yeah, I can certainly explain to you. I don't know what you have charges for,
I
but
don't
you
even
have...
know what this is about. That's what I'm saying.
But that's what I'm telling you. I have charges for you, so I can come in and get you right now because I can see you. I can identify you. I know that you are right there. So here.
Get them together. Get them together, man. Go in there and snatch his little ass
I'm
up.
coming out here.
I have probable cause for 338 Central 1 running westbound.
Where you think he going?
Navigator.
Oh, man.
No, dude,
Going in
you
the-
got me. Hey, man, you got me, dude. Hey, you got me.
No, we ain't fucking playing that game. Give me your hand right now. Give me your other hand.
Okay, man.
Yeah, put his face in the dirt,
We
man.
ain't playing these fucking games, dude. Are you serious?
I'm scared.
Yeah, okay. I told you you had charges. Now you gave more charges.
No, I'm not being serious. I'm scared about it.
We're all done now, buddy. We're all done now. Get your ass up. We're done.
Okay.
Stand up.
Yeah. Get your ass up, man.
Is that why? Because you got dope on you? No. Yeah, well, you just dropped the crystal right here.
Oh, this guy's an idiot.
38 in custody. Kidding me, dude?
This guy is an idiot. You had all that time to get rid of it, and you still got it in your pocket? You was at the door, you left the door, you went back in the house, whatever. You had all that time to take whatever was in your pocket out and put it somewhere else. That would be the whole point of you going back inside when he was at the door to begin with. This guy is stupid, man.
I just did it.
Dude.
I'm freaked out about this shit, dude. I don't know what the...
I told you had charges, and then you're gonna add charges? No, we're not doing none of that now. We're way past that. You wanna go too?
Go, babe, go. Babe, go.
You can go for obstruction. I'm telling you to
Oh
back
yeah,
up.
she want to go?
I'm telling you to
Oh
back
yeah, I
up.
think she want to go too.
You ain't taking nothing right now. Try to do this the easy way. You gotta make it hard, buddy. Come on.
I get it.
Stupid. All you do is ditch your dope, come out, chat with me,
No, I didn't do it. I didn't.
answer for your stuff.
No,
That's
not
what I
it is.
said.
That's not what it's about. This is just like...
You got any guns, knives, any other knives?
I'll put that right there. Take that over.
This bottom part?
Yeah.
We could have just
That's what I'm saying. You literally got a dope charge for no reason. No reason at all. Like you could have ditched that off. Like this guy is it what?
It's the easy way, buddy. Now you're adding charges.
I understand.
All right. I'm putting all this up here. After we figure it out, I'm going to give it whatever you want to her, but I just wanted to, I got to contain everything, all right?
Yeah, you can get all there.
Are you okay?
I'm good. Am I bleeding?
A little.
Yeah, whatever. Said the money in his wallet. Money, wallet, phone, vape,
Yeah, you can get it all here.
knives, watch, everything.
Yeah, can I hit my vape one time?
We're past that, buddy. No more.
Can you tell me what this is about?
Yeah, I told you had charges prior. I don't know specifically what it is. I don't know if you were stopped on a bike and you took off running from them or what the deal was. You remember that?
Yeah, no, I do.
Okay.
That's what I was trying to
So
say.
that's what we're trying to work out and get solved, and then.
I get it. That's what I was trying to say before earlier. Was
Anywhere?
what's that? What's that?
That's before. Are you hurt?
All
No.
right, I'll be right back. I was literally like, okay, I'm just gonna check this address because I've been checking Westland Terrace and he hasn't been there. No, he ran up that way and I tackled him to the bushes. And he had dope in his pocket.
Oh, there it is.
So,
Playing?
Yeah, well, you got your resisting, you got your...
resisting and possession, so.
Felony possession.
All right, boss, I'm just gonna show you everything in this hat, and the hat included. You want all this to go to your girlfriend.
Yes, sir.
Everything in here, phone,
Yep.
2 knives,
Yep.
money, everything. All of this goes to her right here.
Yeah. Yep.
Cool. He wants me to give all this stuff to you. Money, phone, everything, okay? Do you have any questions? So, he had prior charges from a different case. That's what I was trying to chat with him about. But the minute he runs and he has more dope on him, he's adding charges. So,
Yeah, but you're not hurt.
well, no, I know that. But he completely had the chance to walk out peacefully with me and we could have just resolved it, but then he takes off running, so that's resisting.
You came inside and you arrested him.
Absolutely, I'm in fresh pursuit of
But
him
I'm
because
saying,
he's
like,
inside
why
the
did
house.
that happen though? Because he was inside, standing there talking to you, and that's what you said you wanted to do. So
Absolutely.
at what point was there supposed to be?
But then but listen to me. Then at that point, when I give him a lawful order to step outside and he's refusing to, and he's resisting that part, fine, I would have let that go if he would just came outside.
Resisting an arrest, he was just resisting a charge.
Yeah, but he's resisting my lawful
You ain't gotta
order
explain
my
nothing to her,
commands tell
man.
him to come
Man,
outside,
fuck
right?
her, man.
So it's the same as a warrant, okay? So that is why I went inside and got him, because he was not willing to come out to me.
So how many charges?
Yeah, you ain't gotta
So
explain
as of
nothing to
now,
her,
he's got
man.
the
We
prior
moving on,
case.
man.
And now 2 additional ones.
Yeah, she want to chit chat back, man. I ain't gotta explain nothing to you.
That's what it's for.
It's for what was it?
Whatever that bike stop was where you took off running from him last time.
Okay. When that all happened, me and my fiance, we both had our bike lights on. You know, we were doing everything normal, and the lady stopped us, and I was complying. I was there talking to her, and then she randomly was like, "Put your hands behind your back," and went to go grab me, dude. It freaked me out, dude.
Yeah, it's just one of those things where if somebody gives you a lawful order,
Right.
regardless, anytime you're in police contact and a cop gives you a lawful order to do X, Y, or Z,
Right. I
if
get
you
it.
don't comply, that's considered resisting, and if you resist with any sort of violence,
Right. Well, I didn't do that.
I didn't say you did.
Right.
It's just resisting without violence because you took off running. And
Yeah, I do. I apologize for that, man. I do. I can't take it back, but I mean.
I have nothing against you, man. It's just one of those things.
Hey, I know.
where
I know it's your job,
I
man.
needed to talk to you.
I get
I was
it.
trying to talk to you to
I
come
get it.
outside so I didn't have to do it in front of everybody. You know what I mean?
Right.
It's none of their business, right?
Right.
It's fresh pursuit of you. I can see you. You're in the
Right.
house, but I have the legal right to come in and get you and remove you then.
Right. Okay.
Again, I no hard feelings.
I know, hey man, it's just, I know, it's just, no, that's not me, man. It's not me, you know?
Yeah,
It ain't personal, just business.
I don't think you're a bad guy. I don't know you. That's the first time I ever met you. You know what I mean?
Right.
So I'm just trying to get things sorted out so that we can
I get you.
carry on.
Brendan was charged with fleeing or attempting to elude an LEO, resisting an officer without violence, and possession of a controlled substance without prescription. He was sentenced to 30 days in jail and ordered to pay $357. He has since been arrested on charges of battery, making for 8 arrests at the age of 29.
Wow, well, he has a bright future. bright future. It's as bright as this room, man. It ain't lit up that much at all, man. But anyway, it's a little light of hope, but that's it. Anyway, I think the officers did pretty good, man. Honestly, man. So with that being said, I'm giving him 5 out of 5. Good job. Go in there, grab his ass, get his ass up out of there. But 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.